Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to count the length of the membership. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well, today I will use the Microsoft Excel to count it, and let's imagine that you are the, let's say, the administrator or of the membership of the gym. For example, this is the data membership of the Strong Gym, and also for this data you need to contain the present date, and after that you can input the data about the membership here. For example, there are Amira, Ethan, Johnny, and Juan, and they also show you the several joining date over here. And if you would like to know about the length of membership, and here will be present into the days, and we will use this formula. As you can see that this formula is pretty simple. So you can start to input the equal over here, and after that you can click this cell of C4 that contains about the present day, or the present day, I'm sorry. And also don't forget, you must lock it up with F4 because this is the main indicator to count the membership or the length of the membership. And after that you can give the minus and click this cell of D7 that contains about the joining date of each member. And after that you can simply enter. As you can see, why it's only show you about the date? Well, don't worry, because you can keep this cell being clicked, and you can go to the number and change the format into the general, and there you go. There are 365 days that Amira has been joined for this Strong Gym, and you can simply direct your cursor into this square on the corner and give it double click, and there you go. As you can see that Ethan has joined for this gym about 798, and etc. about the, and the Johnny is the longest member that has joined into this gym. So that's all guys, don't forget to try this formula into your, let's say, into your business or into your work, and I hope this video finds you helpful. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.